Thursday's precise and important news. The Afghan Air Force rescued Iranian engineers trapped in a snowstorm. The Ministry of Defense said that the Air Force has rescued 4 Iranian engineers and 5 mujahideen who were trapped in snow in Herat province on Wednesday. Foreign Minister Muttaqi visits hospital, offers condolences to the injured ones and gives cash to the victims of the tragedy. A number of civilians and employees of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs were martyred and injured in an explosion on a public road near the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. The acting Minister of Foreign Affairs visited the injured and gave them cash assistance. Salang Highway reopened for traffic. Officials of the Ministry of Public Works say that the Salang Highway, which was closed on Wednesday morning due to heavy snowfall, was reopened to traffic, following the efforts of the personnel of the Department of Preservation and Maintenance of Salang Highway. The mobile health team of Afghan Red Crescent Society are busy providing health services. In the remote areas of Nari district of Kunar province, the mobile health teams of Afghan Red Crescent Society have provided health services to 631 male and female patients, gave medical advice to 841 people and transferred 410 patients to other hospitals after their checkup. Kabul, Islamabad agreed to boost bilateral trade transit. The Joint Chamber of Afghanistan and Pakistan said that Kabul and Islamabad have agreed to reduce tariffs on commodities and bilateral trade and transit affairs between the two countries. 8 people arrested for drug dealing. Counter-narcotics police have arrested 8 people for the charges of drug dealing and trafficking in Nangarhar, Kunar, Bamiyan and Nimroz provinces of the country. Afghanistan's cricket stars have announced to boycott the Big Bash League. Afghanistan's cricket stars Naveen Al-Haq and Mujibur Rahman boycott participating in Big Bash League or any other cricket league that concerns Cricket Australia after Australia's decision to withdraw from the 3-match ODI series against Afghanistan.